Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm finishing the side landscaping I started in the previous video. This video is part two. What you see me doing is making the holes for additional Texas stage bushes slash shrubs I'm going to add, which I bought at my local nursery, and Cassandra perennials which I bought at a hardware store. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see me doing. As you can see, I'm using a new shovel. I bought it to try it out. I am not too sold on it. I don't like the shape of it. It's not really easy to make holes with it. So basically, digging the hole, I'm going to put biotone starter fertilizer, then the plant, and then fill it up with dirt or not, and water it afterwards. So I decided to add two additional Texas stage right in front of each other to like close in the landscaping I've done and to bring a sense of formality that I think it was missing. So I had a spare Italian cypress in my garden that I had removed from elsewhere. So I decided maybe I should plant her right in the center of the landscaping to see how it look. We're gonna see how it does. Yeah, and you can also see me starting to plant the Crossandra. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's how I read it. If you are going to garden, expect to buy lots of mulch and spend lots of money on mulch. It basically holds moisture, and it helps the plant stay moist and not dry out as easy, and it suppresses weeds, so can't go wrong with mulch. So what I planted from the last time is this one. It's a perennial where I live, Crossandrium. It's orange, these orange little beautiful buds, and I love the shape of their leaves. It's like shiny. And then I planted some more Texas sage. You know, for some reason they have a different color, but they're supposedly the same plant. I don't know if when it loses all the leaves and gains them back, they come out green because it's like fresh new growth. It's just old mature growth. So if anyone can tell me why is that, because they're both Texas sage. I think I have one over here that's blooming, or I guess not. A little garden turned out. That Italian cypress is dying, so I'm just gonna have to take it out. The thing is, so far it's good. There are all perennials or shrubs. I don't waste time with annuals. I don't want something that I have to keep buying over and over again. So, this is that.